Hi friends, so I told you that I will show you top 5 best apps for YouTube channels. So let's get started. So the first app which was I saying to get more views, that is TubeBuddy. If you open first TubeBuddy, an interface will come for you like this. So for this you need to just go like this step and then you just click go. So you need to sign in with our Google account. It is Google. So first you need to sign in that. Yes, friends. Actually, this is actually my another channel, which I'll publish all the education videos. That is my father's channel. So like this, it will come. We can know about the tags. Means the one which is actually very important in our YouTube. That is tags. When we are posting a video in a laptop or in phone, you need to add tags compulsory, because that is only the main. uh, so if we add tags to our YouTube videos, it may be ranking. Suppose Vedic maths tricks for fast calculation. I added for this so many tags. I'll show you. See, it will show you if you have uploaded the high resolution thumbnail. You have added the tags for your title. I have added. You have written the description, title length. If your title length is too long, also it will not accept. So I did not add cards. I did not add end screen. So if you want, you can add end screen also. Yes, and like this. See, 3 I did correct out of these two. Means tags length up to 500 characters. Also we can add tags like this. See here, option is the tags. I added these tags. Vedic maths for fast. So you need to click just here suggest. If you click here suggest, a page will come. It's loading here. See friends, it has showed 3 tags: Vedic maths tricks, and Vedic maths. If you want more view results, you need to click like this, it will come. So you need to copy these 3 tags and to clipboard, and they copied. So now you need to go to tag here, edit tags, and now you need to add which we have copied to clipboard. You need to paste and you need to save. So this is saving our tag. So see, it's 3 tags: Vedic maths and Vedic maths tricks. Like this you can add tags for this video also. And next one is, yes friends, and I have another video, that is small children are driving car. So if you click here and if you click tags and suggest, so it is loading in tags. So you can see some tags which are here: children's songs, baby songs, nursery rhymes, like this all we don't want, because that is that video. So I copied these 3 tags to clipboard, and now I need to go to edit tags and just add and I need to paste it here and just click save. So it is saving. So it will give at least 2-3 tags for any video. Suppose which I have made, that is about atomic structure. So it is showing these all tags. So you need to click the tags and add to our this video. So copy to clipboard, and next leave yes, and next edit tags, and now you need to add it. You need to click edit tags and just say add, and you need to paste it here. Wait friends, not this. Yes, you need to add and just click save. And now here it is there, right? Comments, means it will show you the comments over here. And what is the best feature about this is it will show us the comments which were not replied to it. See here, it is the filter. You need to go hide comments. I have replied, so you need to hide comments. So just click done. I have answered all the comments. So that's it friends about this TubeBuddy. So next app is, you need to go to main menu, and now app is vidIQ. For this also you need to sign in with your Google account. Here you need to allow the permission for this. See, it has come. Our category is for education, so you need to click here education plus and you need to just continue. So here it will give some keywords for us. You can keep it in our channel also. So friends, now it is saying to add competitors and I have kept the keywords and just clicked allow. So next step is this. So that is also completed. So for this now you can see here most popular videos it will show you also. Next research for kids, how much percentage that I have made for educational, for preschool, for that also it will show for competitors. So I have kept him the competitor. So for you and for his channel, what is the difference? It may be tag, it may be the video, the person will come past 30 days, like that, past 7 days, top competitors. And the subscribers also, best time to post also will be here. Suppose best time to post means in which time your viewers are viewing your channel. Suppose it's 7:30, so that time you can post your video, so that time you can think that they'll be free and they will watch your channel. This is the other app, and the next one is that is Pixel Lab. If you open the app, it will come Pixel Lab and it will be like this. So for us we need, this is actually normal, you need to go to image size. This is actually custom, but we no need to have custom. For you want to make for your profile picture or YouTube channel banner, which we can see to go to channel means big banner will be that one, and YouTube thumbnail. So this is the best app to create our thumbnail, that is YouTube thumbnail. Here height and width will be. So next you need to say okay. So now here text, we don't want text. Okay, you need to choose a background first. Suppose I choose the normal okay, this one I choose. Like this it will come. If you want you can add text. Suppose I will just type YouTube text. YouTube text and just say okay. It will come like this, YouTube text. And if you want to add color to this YouTube text which we have made, you need to go to here A, and here you need to choose the color option, and you can add any like this colors. And for if you want to add only for YouTube, you can add like this. And if you want to add for tricks, another color blue. And here another option is also that this is actually multicolors. Two colors will be mixed here. So like this you can add. And next one is you can also add shadow to this 3D rotate. You can also rotate it, and you can also give reflection. And if you want to draw on this object, you can draw like this YouTube tricks by Sai Kalyan, like that you can draw. And next, if you want to increase your image size, a color also will be here. You can add for your the thumbnail picture like this blue, yellow, green, like this. So I took this color, and you can add an image also here. So for this you can do like this, and you can also here plus button is there. If you want you can write test, and you can also write your date. Stickers, suppose I took sticker like this, YouTube tricks. So just minimize little and keep the sticker, YouTube tricks. Like this you can add stickers, and also shapes are there, draw. And suppose see, if we are keeping another object over here, so this will move like this. So if you want that it will not, don't need to move, then you need to go this way, and you can just here log this too. So that time it will not move. So see, I'm clicking here also, it's not coming. So this is one app which is useful for us. And the other app is YouTube Studio. This all will have, but some members will not have this YouTube Studio. This is the dashboard, and here how many subscribers you have, like this in our channel. Analytics, if you want to view more, see estimated views from last 48 hours, like this, last 365 days. I got 273 views here. You can see it will show us the analytics of our views, and it will also show that which video is most popular, is becoming if you'll click like this, it will come, and views, it will come, subscribers, how many they are changed, how many in browse features, traffic sources. Means suppose if someone went to YouTube and searched your name or your channel, or your video title, it will come. See here, YouTube search. For me, 20%, 20.7% it came. Channel pages means when you'll go to YouTube normally, if you just swipe it up, then my video will come. And external means we have shared to WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, like that. So this is one feature, and next one is comments. You can go to comments, which means and video also you can go, and playlist also you can go. And this is and the other app which I was saying, that is KineMaster. So it will be like this. So these all are the videos which I have been made. So suppose I'll say from starting, you need to click this plus button, and if you want to go to Instagram like this for making video, Instagram, Facebook, so we want YouTube, so here you can see YouTube and just click that, and you need to choose a media browser. So I have my channel normal introduction, so you need to just click that and just click OK. So here you can see my channel, that is Knowledge is Technology. It is coming over here. And now next one is layer. In this down layer only we can add any other. Suppose I want any picture, that is okay, I'll choose a background and just click this color, and it can be animation like this also, blinking. It will just blinking like this, pulse, fountain, ring, like this clockwise. It will come like that, and this is animation also, that's one only. Here speed, you can increase its speed or decrease its speed. So I want none now, just click none. If you want like this also it will come, so just click here, extend your size, okay. And now here you can add for your video, that is clip graphics, means for your welcome. So you can click like this and stage opening, so it will come like this on stage opening. So actually I don't want this, so I'll delete it. And see, if you want, your stage will come like this. And see here, clip graphics, so I just did not keep the title, so just keep welcome and just click OK. So it will come like this. Knowledge is Technology, welcome. And if you want, you can record also in this video, in this KineMaster. Here recording is there, you need to just click start. Hi friends, this is my YouTube channel, Knowledge is Technology. Welcome to my channel. Just stop now and just click OK. Here you can listen now. Hi friends, this is my YouTube channel, Knowledge is Technology. Welcome to my channel. That's it friends, and now if you want, you can add music here, and you can add stickers, classic stickers. So many stickers will be, but we don't need that stickers, so just delete it. And you can add audio also to that. And so friends, these all are the videos. So if you like this video, so please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to give comments. Till then, take care friends, bye friends.